Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a flag mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the flag. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer by 3 times. And now go to File, Place Embedded and import the flag design and transform it to this flag size. Now create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. And press Ctrl T and right click and select warp and hit OK. Now go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side and hit OK. Now turn on the upper layer and change that blend mode to multiply and reduce the fill to 65% and opacity to 85. And for the second one, change that blend mode to soft light and change the opacity to 85% and fill to 55%. And see how we can easily create a flag mockup. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.